Hello, this is your introduction to Scratch, which is a programming language that is a visual language using blocks. And we're going to have those of you that are interested in learning a little bit about programming and haven't really done it before are going to play around with Scratch. When you do this on the Raspberry Pi, you will be able to reach this through the menu and look up Scratch and click on that to get here. Or you can always go online, even through your Raspberry Pi, and search it on the internet. So what I want you to do first, though, is you do need to join it. It's free. So click on the join, choose a Scratch username. I'm just going to put Katie Canning, and of course password. Make sure that you write this down, as we all have trouble remembering passwords at times, and month and year and everything you need to do to sign up. I'm not going to tell you what year I was born in, though. Once you've done that and you have it running in the background, anything that you work on can be saved. I would recommend going through the Try Scratch Out first tutorials here. Now, this little kitty cat here is what's called a sprite. That is what Scratch uses for its little characters or avatars that run around the sprite. And you can create new sprites if you'd like. I would just practice with this. Now, to see what this can do is you need to look at your blocks here. Looking at your scripts, this is motion is in blue. For example, this one, if you click on it, shows you that it'll move 10 steps. Click on this example here, it turns 15 degrees. And each of these has something that it does. You can give it costumes. They don't really give you much for this first one. There's sounds you can have it do, like the meow. Literally, I just want you to go around and play around with the tutorial here and see what you can do with it. Now, there's also a video here that shows you how to do things, so you can watch that. To actually make things happen with your sprite, though, what you're going to need to do is drag your blocks, right, over. Motions in blue. Data operators, more blocks. These all have to do with different types of things that you can do. So if you want an event to happen, an event is something like when something is going to happen, it needs to be clicked, or do something when a key is pressed. So this is an event, something that the actual sprite does, right? So you can, when clicked, tell it to move 10 steps. Okay? So when this is clicked, it moves 10 steps, is what it means. So this is your event, what's going to happen. This is your motion action going on here. And you can program this for more steps here if you'd like. You can put 20 steps in if you'd like. So when you click on this, it does more steps.